Understanding and identifying relative clauses in descriptive texts. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. We are delving into the fascinating world of relative clauses, particularly as they appear in descriptive texts. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what relative clauses are but also be able to identify them in a variety of descriptive texts. Relative clauses are types of clauses that provide extra information about something mentioned in the sentence. They can be used to modify, identify, or give additional details about a noun. In other words, they relate to the noun. They usually start with relative pronouns such as who, whom, whose, which, and that. An example of a relative clause is in the sentence, "The book, which is on the table, is mine." Here, which is on the table, is the relative clause, giving additional information about the noun, book. Descriptive texts are intended to provide a detailed description of something or someone, be it an object, person, place, or event. They paint a picture using words. In descriptive texts, relative clauses are a powerful tool as they allow writers to provide more detailed, intricate, and colorful descriptions. For example, consider the sentence, "The house has a beautiful garden." While this provides a straightforward description, adding a relative clause makes it more vivid. The house, which has a red bricked path weaving through a kaleidoscope of flowers, has a beautiful garden. When identifying relative clauses in descriptive texts, look for clauses that start with a relative pronoun and provide extra information about a noun. Remember that these clauses can be removed without changing the basic meaning of the sentence. Consider the sentence, "The bird, which was chirping melodically on the branch, looked content." The clause, "which was chirping melodically on the branch," is a relative clause, describing the bird in more detail. Another tip is to observe the punctuation. Relative clauses are often set apart by commas. However, note that not all relative clauses are surrounded by commas, especially when they are essential to understand the noun they are modifying. That wraps up our lesson on identifying relative clauses in descriptive texts. By now, you should have a better understanding of what relative clauses are and how they function in descriptive texts. Practice identifying relative clauses in your reading to cement your understanding. Remember, the key is to spot the relative pronouns and additional details about a noun. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore relative clauses in other text types. Happy learning, everyone!